Hi, this is Betsey Delorey to demonstrate my enhancement number 6. I'll begin by showing you in my database I have 2 registered users, myself as a level 1 and the admin user as a level 3. And I'll go ahead and run a fresh copy of my website. And you can see that a cookie had been set so that there's a welcome message displayed with my name as the last user. Go ahead and log in. And where the My Account link was, it's now been replaced by the Log Out link. And my name is displaying along with my user information here. If I log out, while I'm here, I think I'll demonstrate so I don't forget that this is an HTML valid page with no errors. So I will log out and it pops me back out to the home page, and I will go and log in as the admin. And you can see, again, the My Account link was replaced by the Logout link. And in addition to the name and the user data is the products link. On the products page, we have our two links to new category and new product, along with the Logout link. New category, Logout link. New product, Logout link. And if we log out, we come back to the home page with a new cookie set for the last user. If I log in as myself, a level 1 user, and try to access the products controller directly without having proper clearance. Security code that's placed in the admin file takes me back out to the home page and prevents me from accessing that information without clearance. And I can go ahead and log out. So I think that's everything. Valid HTML and the login, My Account link and the Logout link, and the security for this enhancement, the extra credit. Thanks for watching, and thanks again for a great class this week. I learned so much. It wasn't easy, but it was really fun and very worthwhile.